Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have more attractive, more stunning ideas. You look so stunning and amazing videos, and this video is all about the crochet long cardigans ideas and short cardigans designs. We are uploaded so elegant videos for different varieties of crochet cardigans designs for you look so amazing and pretty ideas, pretty videos, amazing stunning ideas. I have more attractive, more elegant videos, more stunning ideas, so elegant, so gorgeous, so perfectly ideas we are uploaded for you, and amazing videos. So I will more attractive, more elegant ideas. You look so amazing, perfectly videos, perfectly ideas. Hope everyone likes so amazing ideas we are uploaded for you. This is so elegant videos. Hope you guys like all these gorgeous videos, perfective videos and stunning designs. एंड जो भी आप लोगों के साथ डिफरेंट कलर्स कॉम्बिनेशंस में कार्डिगन्स शेयर किए जाते हैं आप लोगों की चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग होते हैं, और इस तरह की काफ़ी परफेक्टिव वीडियोस होती हैं जो कि आप लोगों के लिए दिखाई जाती हैं। इस तरह की परफेक्टिव वीडियोस जो कि आप लोगों को दिखाई जाती हैं, आप लोग उन डिज़ाइंस वगैरह को देखा करें और इस तरह के कार्डिगन्स डिज़ाइंस को कैरी किया करें। अमेजिंग आइडियाज़ में अमेजिंग वीडियोस हैं। यू लाइक सो अमेजिंग एंड परफेक्टिव वीडियोस, परफेक्टिव आइडियाज़. If any videos related to any pattern, related to any gorgeous videos, gorgeous different patterns, ideas, may Allah Almighty keep you all happy, keep your home in inhabitants, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amen. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for getting more gorgeous and elegant videos, elegant ideas. You look so stunning. We are uploaded for you. This is so fantastic videos, fantastic ideas. Are you there? More gorgeous videos. So let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking like so perfectly designs. So let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz and bye bye. For more